Hello friend, welcome in geography classes. My dear friend, today I am going to discuss soil. For standard 10. My dear friend, it is very known to us and everywhere we see it, we find it, and most of our activity is directly linked by soil. We all are totally depend upon soil either for agricultural activities or the constructions of building, construction of roadways, even we move on the soil. There are lots of activities which are directly or indirectly depend upon the soil. Whenever we listen a word soil, something should be come in our mind. What is this? What are the characteristics of this? Whenever we listen a word like rasgulla, है ना? Whenever we listen a word ice cream, there is something in our mind. It is tasty, it has sweetness and delicious for us, right? और वो मुंह में पानी आ जाता है रसगुल्ले को सुनकर, या और भी कोई बहुत सारी चीज होती हैं जो हर किसी की अपनी अपनी फेवरेट होती है, राइट? तो सॉइल वर्ड को सुनकर भी हमारे अंदर कुछ चीजें आनी चाहिए कि क्या है इसके अंदर, क्या क्या होता है, कौन सी क्वालिटी होता है, कैसे ये बनता है. All these things will be discussed today. Firstly, soil, it is what? It is a loose particle. Loose particle. It is a loose particle. किसका? Loose particle of rocks. Loose particle of rocks, or we can say, or a fine particle of rocks. It is called a soil, which is laying on the earth uppermost layer, right? So soil is a fine or loose particle of rocks laying on the upper layer of the earth, which consists so many biotic and abiotic components like carbonic or non-carbonic, acarbonic, है ना? तो biotic and abiotic, these are component of the soil. Means it consists, biotic means carbonic and abiotic acarbonic, like the rocks, minerals, all the minerals. It is abiotic plant or the humus. What is humus? अब इसमें biotic में एक आता है humus. So what is humus? Humus, it consists when the dead and decayed part of plant get buried, decomposed in the soil, then it is called humus. And humus mixed with the soil, then it increase the fertilities. Fertilities को ये बढ़ा देता है, right? My dear friend, we will also see the types of soil. So here we discuss about the soil, which some particles which are mixed up with the soil, and bacteria or other worms, they are also included or engaged in soil. See, soil is not formed. अब ये loose particles, loose or fine particles. See, these are the result of loose or fine particles of rocks. These are the result of weathering process. By the weathering, soil is a loose particles which are formed by the weathering process. What is weathering process? Weathering process, a process in which rocks are broken into a smaller pieces. Once they are converted or broken into a smaller pieces, right? So weathering is a process in which rocks are broken into a smaller or fine particles by the physical or chemical change. By physical, chemical and biological process. So these are the process through by which soil is formed. It is not formed in a single day. It takes millions of years. Few centimeters of soil is formed in millions of years. Right? Now, we will see the type of soil. There are 6 types of soil. Here, types of soil. How many types? There are 6 types of soil. First, that is alluvial soil. Second, that is black soil. Third one is red soil. Fourth, that is laterite soil. Laterite soil. Fifth, that is desert soil. And sixth, that is mountain soil. Mountain soil, it is also called forest soil. And red soil is also called yellow soil. In our country, right, there are 6 types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, or it is also called yellow soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil, and forest soil. One by one, in sequence, we will study. Firstly, we will see the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, it is formed by the alluvial fans of the river. So forms by the river action. Which type of action? That is deposition. Deposition of what? Deposition of clay or alluvium, right? Or that whatever the carried materials after erosion, soil carry a large particles whenever the speed of soil. See, this is a river. When it is the water is flowing in the river, it has force and it erode the bottoms as well as the coastal region, right? And that eroded materials is carried by the river. जब नदी अपने तल को, निचले भाग को, बॉटम को और दोनों किनारे को काट कर अपने साथ बहा कर लेकर चलती है, और जब कभी इसमें एक्स्ट्रा वाटर हो जाता है, हैवी रेनफॉल होता है, तो इसमें फ्लड आ जाती है, बाढ़ आ जाती है, और जिसके कारण ये सारे कैरिड मटेरियल्स हैं, लूज पार्टिकल्स हैं, ये अपने दोनों साइड बैंक है ना, इट इज अ बैंक, राइट? इट इज लेफ्ट साइड बैंक एंड इट इज अ राइट साइड बैंक, राइट बैंक एंड इट इज अ लेफ्ट बैंक. तो लेफ्ट बैंक और राइट बैंक दोनों साइड पे ये अपने अलुवियम को बिछा देती है. तब क्या होता है? देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ alluvial soil as well as on the mouth where the slope is gentle. जब नदी आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते समुद्र में मिलने वाली होती है तो उस टाइम इसके स्लोप काफी घट जाता है, कम हो जाता है, राइट? जब स्लोप काफी कम हो जाएगा तो नदी व रिवर का फ्लो भी कम हो जाएगा, स्पीड कम हो जाएगा, जिसमें फोर्स का अप्लाई नहीं हो पाएगा, एंड देन the all the carried materials is deposited on the mouth of the river. It is also called delta, right? So in this way the soil, alluvial soil, is formed by river action, by the deposition action, and here the clay and alluvium is deposited, which are very fine, बहुत ही पाउडर की तरह, है ना, छोटे छोटे भाग में होता है, राइट? इट इज फाउंड इन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. हम बात करते हैं इंडिया की. दिस इज अ वेरी लिटिल ट्राई टू मेक अ मैप ऑफ इंडिया. चलिए, ठीक है. तो ये दिस सी दिस रीजन is a northern plains region. In eastern coast there is also a plain which are formed by the rivers, right? So it is found in the plains like some parts of Gujarat also, upper case, right? It is found in the Gujarat as well as upper part of Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, right? So in these states it is found, and alluvial soil is a soil which cover a largest area in the India. इंडिया के सबसे ज्यादा भाग को alluvial soil कवर करता है, right? It contains nutrition like potash. इसमें क्या क्या मिलता है? पोटास मिलता है, ठीक है। इसके ये इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट। इसके अलावा और क्या मिलता है पोटास के अलावा? फॉस्फेरिक एसिड, राइट, एंड लाइम। फॉस्फेरिक एसिड एंड lime. These are the three main minerals which are found in the alluvial soil. My dear friend, it is very suitable for agricultural activities. It is suitable for agriculture, and rice, wheat are frequently grown in this alluvium soil, right? So my dear friend, today बस आज हम इतना ही देखेंगे और इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द अदर टाइप ऑफ soil. Thanks, have a good day.